Hi, my lovely Pisceans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Pisceans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of October 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Pisceans, while pre-shuffling for you guys, there were a couple of messages that were coming through. I'll tell you some of the dominant ones. Okay. So some of you guys are definitely going to have new beginnings in terms of love and career. Okay. For in terms of career, it's going to be something that you guys are you guys have waited for this opportunity. Okay, it's like it has not landed up in your lap overnight, okay, or by fluke. You have really waited a lot for it. You had tried a lot for it, and finally you get that opportunity. Okay, it's going to be a very much financially abundant opportunity for you guys. Okay, a lot of money. Probably if you are in job, you'll get a good hike will switch, I mean. Okay. For some of you guys, there's going to be a lot of communication coming your way, lot of messages, lot of important messages, lot of love or relationship related messages. If you guys are dating, or if you're approached by anyone, or if you approach anyone, it's going to be filled with lot of love and passion, and you guys are going to exchange lot of messages. You'll probably end up talking overnight. Okay, I mean, I sense a lot of communication happening between two people. Whoever this person is that you are dating or is approaching you is a very is kind of smitten by you, is what I was seeing, Pisceans. This person could also be very creative, okay, or could be in a creative field, maybe even writing poetries, that kind of person I saw. Very creative, someone who is very creative. Okay, there could be an age gap between you two. That also is one thing that I was getting. Basically, in a nutshell, there's going to be a lot of communication. For some of you guys, I also saw that you guys are probably planning a vacation, or you're planning to travel somewhere to attend someone's wedding. Okay, wedding or some family function, get together, I do not know what it is, engagement, some social gathering, some social event, but definitely you guys are planning or prepping up for it, is what I saw. Some of you guys might also be planning overseas travel. Okay, it could be for a vacation, or it could be for this function, I do not know, you know it better, but that message was also coming through very strongly. Okay, what else? Yeah, I think those were the prime messages. New beginnings definitely in terms of love and career. Yes, there's going to be some major big breakthrough for some of you guys. Yeah, one important message I saw was someone is totally focusing on his or her goals. Okay, and there are, like, you guys are ending something only to begin a new chapter of your life. Okay, it's like you close one door to immediately open another one, that kind of message I got. And I was getting that for some of you guys, there are going to be a lot of sudden changes, sudden events that will happen one after the other. Okay, one after the other. There was tower moment, so I feel that you are in for like a lot of changes that will keep you on your toes. It will be like a surprise for you as well. Okay, so many things happening all of a sudden. Okay, like new job, new relationship, wedding probably. Okay, so yeah, gear up for the upcoming days. I had similar energy. Wait, which reading was that? I don't remember. It was Capricorn or Aquarius. If at all you have any of these signs in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a fellow Aquarian or Capricorn, do check out those readings. Either of these readings, I don't remember which it was. Okay, could be a Capricorn, but I'm not so sure. Okay, yeah. So yeah, with that, guys, let's get started and see what messages we have for your main reading. Wow, 9 of Swords. Yeah, Queen of Wands was showing up while pre-shuffling also. Death card and 6 of Swords. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Page of Cups has been like, it just wants to be seen or heard. There is some message coming your way, guys. Some message definitely. And whatever messages I was getting for pre-shuffling, incidentally, those same cards have shown up for in your main reading as well. Like I said, someone is really working very hard, very diligently, and you guys are waiting patiently for some breakthrough, okay? And you guys are definitely going to get that breakthrough very soon, okay? Very soon is what I'm getting. Empress. Wow. Guys, some of you is either manifesting you, or you are manifesting someone. Those who are are about to get into a relationship, trust me, guys, you or this person are going to be madly in love with each other, is what I'm saying. They see you as this beautiful queen or this empress, okay? Like a wholesome person, wholesome woman or man, okay? I'm talking about energies and not about genders. Always note that, okay? So yes, by the way, this is my new ring, and I'm so happy to flaunt it. Many of my friends and many people have been telling me you should wear fancy rings and all that stuff. And I bought myself one, and I'm so happy to flaunt it. Anyway, let me just quickly check the cards. Yes, you're able to see those. So yeah, guys, in your recent past, I see that some of you guys could be really sleepless over something, okay? Overthinking, anxious, jittery. But for a change, Pisceans, I'm getting that this is in a positive manner. This overthinking or this anxiety is not tripping towards negative side, okay? I feel that some of you guys, I have a very strong feeling and strong energy coming through. You guys are really charged up about something, some project, some venture, something about your life. It's like, how do I put it? Suppose like you are planning to travel by the end of this year, and or you are planning to participate in a marathon, for instance, and you keep on preparing for that, okay? Marathon running, this many kilometers is your goal, for instance, and you just crazily, obsessively start prepping up for it, pursuing it. You do not see anything else but your goal, okay? I am sensing that kind of energy coming through right from the time of shuffling, obsessively pursuing your goals. And trust me, guys, I'm getting no negative energy at all in this. This obsession is definitely in a healthy manner, okay? You're very much focused towards your goals, is what I'm getting. So yes, you are even sleepless about it, but this sleeplessness is for a good cause. It's for a good reason, is what I'm saying. Someone is extremely passionate, extremely in control of his or her life, in her own element, is what I'm saying. Like this queen, okay? Like this queen who is just like so confident, and this confidence is making you very attractive, okay? Now by attractive, I am meaning in both the sense. Someone is actually finding you very attractive, but the second energy that I'm getting is your aura is very inspiring to could be very inspiring to others, okay? You are appearing as this confident queen. Now again, I am giving a disclaimer. I am not talking about gender, I am just talking about energy. This could be a man as well, okay? So you are basically appearing very confident, very what do I say, charged, passionate, okay? And people are just admiring you, is what I'm getting, guys. Definitely admiring you is what I'm getting. Moving to your current energy, some of you guys are putting an end to something, okay? Some situation, some long pending situation rather, could be for a something which was cascading or carried forward for a period of like close to 8 to 10 years minimum. 8 to 10 years minimum, I'm saying. Could be 13 as well for some of you guys, 13 to 15. A long term situation is ending for you guys. You have decided to move away from it. You have decided to finally let go of it. Okay, now when I'm seeing this Queen of Wands energy, it's like someone has started understanding his or her value. Okay, you know you are worth much more. You deserve a lot than what you have been getting. Okay, now you are no more saying yes to peanuts or breadcrumbs thrown by others. You completely have started understanding your value, and that is why you have stepped into this Queen of Wands energy, and you have decided to move on, and you have decided to focus on your goals in your career aspirations or whatever it is that is making you feel good. Okay, that is a very very beautiful energy, guys. Very very beautiful decision. Death card is not necessarily a bad energy. In fact, the death card is significant of major changes, major life changes, major karmic changes. Okay, one chapter of your life is getting over, and you know this is something which has happened in your life to teach you something, to teach your lesson. You had signed up for this. You had taken this birth so that you can experience this event and learn from it. One karmic debt for you is getting close, guys. That kind of energy is what this death card is talking about. Scorpion energy is coming through strongly. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is coming through very strongly, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Water, air, earth is what I'm seeing very very strongly over here. Water, air, earth. Yeah. So yeah, moving to your immediate future, guys, expect some very very crucial communication, crucial message, crucial mail. Okay, now like I said, this card is this energy or this reading is completely in tandem with the pre-shuffling energy. Most of the times or many times what happens is I connect to some certain energies in while pre-shuffling, but the spread shows some different energies at all. But what I am seeing in this reading is it's very much in sync with the pre-shuffling energies that I was getting. Some of you guys are definitely going to get some important message. Now this message could be of love, this message could be of a job offer, promotion or new assignment, something new business idea, whatever it is, but a significant communication is going to happen. Okay, there could be a possibility that someone might even come and apologize to you. Okay, it could be an apology as well. If at all you guys are getting into a relationship, there could be a significant age gap between you two. Okay, either you or the other person is elder to each other or vice versa. I mean, take it how it resonates. I hope I have communicated my point, but yes, that is the kind of message I'm getting. Some of you are definitely focused on your career, and you are like, you are very much sure of what you want. Okay, what you want in life, what you want from your career, professionally, personally. Okay, you are very much sure about that. King of Pentacles is a very balanced, very grounded energy, guys. A very very mature energy. So if at all you are getting into a relationship, if someone is approaching you for a relationship, know that this person wants to offer you stability. Okay, stability, commitment, something which is solid, which has solid base. Also, if at all you are getting a job offer, new opportunity in terms of career, know that you'll be in this for a longer run. Okay, for a longer time. Okay, it's not something which is like suppose you switched your job. It's not going to be that you'll switch that job within a year or 6 months. No, you'll be here for a longer tenure. That is the kind of message I'm getting very very strongly. In your advice, there is 6 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles. Definitely, guys, you guys are completely focused on your goals. Okay, some of you guys, yeah, there was one point I forgot to tell you while pre-shuffling. I saw that someone was probably, getting trained with your manager or lead or whoever it is, okay, trained for something, maybe for a higher role. I saw Ace of Swords and Emperor, which means that there is a father figure, there is a boss kind of an energy, someone who is sitting in the authority and with whom you are working to gear up or to prep yourself up for that Ace of Swords or that new opportunity that is coming your way. Definitely you guys are working very very hard. Maybe some of you guys are dealing with a or working in a team of 3 to 6 people. 3 is what I'm getting very strongly, or 6. Okay, 6 number is also coming through very strongly. Need not be but a strong chance. Okay, make sure that there is healthy give and take. Okay, give and take of information, give and take of in terms of help. Okay, it shouldn't be the case that you are only on the taker side or you are only on the giver side. Make sure that there is healthy balance that is achieved in whatever it is that you're doing. I believe that you would also end up lending money to someone, or if you have lent money to someone, you will get that money back. Okay, handshake of money is what I'm getting, sensing very strongly. Okay, handshake of currency is what I'm sensing very very strongly. You guys are going to work more as a team. Okay, you are going to collaborate and come together as a team. Okay, it's not going to be something like you are working in silos. This opportunity is something which is going to need you to collaborate with different people with different skill sets, and get your job done or work as a team player and not an individual. Okay, that's the message that is coming through very very strongly as your advice. Very strong earth energy, guys. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. If at all you have any of these charts in your birth chart, do check out those readings. Or if you are dealing with a fellow earth sign, do check out those respective readings as well. Okay. Yeah. So let's pull one affirmation for you guys. I would say this month I'm pulling an affirmation card for each sign. Now this is something which you should keep on reminding yourself for this entire month, or even for the upcoming days or weeks, if you like it or if you agree with it. Okay, something fell off right away. Throne, your potential is endless. Wow, just wow. I am seeing this card for the first time in this deck. Forget about pulling, I had not even seen this card. And guys, I can't tell you how much in awe of this card I am right now. Isn't it resonating, or isn't it going, or isn't it familiar with this Queen of Wands card? Look at this. By the way, there is strong feminine energy coming through. I do not know why. We could be talking to a female probably, or you could be dealing with in an environment wherein there are a lot of females. Okay, maybe sitting at the higher position, higher than you could be reporting to a lady, or you could be mentoring to a group wherein there are a lot of females. Okay, that is also a probability, but a lot of feminine energy coming through. Yes, your potential is endless. You know that for sure. Okay, and you are very much, like I said, you are very much now aware, and you know your potential, you know your true worth. I told you while pre-shuffling, talking about pre-shuffling as well. Someone definitely has is aware of his or her potential, power, worth, okay, skills, capabilities, and you are like not at all ready now to settle for less, and you are very much confident. Okay, confidence is just oozing out. Okay, and you're donning your crown very confidently, and it's like no one can stop me now. Okay, that's the kind of energy which is coming through, and that is what is confirmed over here. There is this mermaid also over here, guys. I can see a magician also over here, and there is one queen also. To me this looks like a Queen of Pentacle only, but either ways same energies are seen in your card. Again, there are 3 feminine energies over here. Number 3 is very very significant somehow in this reading, like I said earlier also. Now take it how it makes sense this to you, but yes, number 3 is definitely making a lot of sense. And there is this magician who is, I think that you guys are definitely manifesting something, or if this is a new opportunity that is coming your way, it's like you have actually consciously, subconsciously manifested this. Okay, that is the kind of message I'm getting very, very strongly. And wow, Pisceans, just wow, this reading is really wow. Another very, very awesome reading that I had done was this month was Sagittarius so far. And if at all you have Sagittarius in your birth chart, or if at all you're dealing with a fellow Sagittarian, do check out that reading. I think I have written that caption itself. Wow, what a reading. I don't know if it's Sagittarian or Scorpio, but yeah, either of this. But you guys must check out that reading. See, look out for this caption. Wow, what a reading. I don't remember which sign, but I think it was Scorpio or Sagittarius. So do check out if at all you have those signs in your birth chart. Anyways, let's pull some additional messages for you guys from this beautiful deck. Confidence is your key to success. Yes, this queen is also telling that it is confirmed by this card as well. And like I said, you are in your element. A win-win outcome is forecast. That is what is also, kind of indicated by this 6 of Pentacles, where there is an energy of bringing balance. Okay, there was temperance also in your energy, overall energy, by the way. And at the bottom of the deck is a new romantic cycle begins. I have no doubt about that. New moon in Libra card, full moon in Libra card. If at all you guys have Libra in your birth chart or dealing with a fellow Libra, Libra is coming through strongly. Like I said, this is a self-explanatory card, and it's confirmed like nth time, right from pre-shuffling to the last card. A new romantic cycle begins for some of you guys, and it's going to be full of love and passion. I have no better words to put this across. Okay, and I'm so happy for you guys if that's happening for you guys. Okay, so Pisceans, it was one wonderful reading. I really enjoyed doing this reading, and if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Share comments, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.